My dear student, already I have explained you about the function. Function, what I have told about the function? Function is related with relation. All relation is not a function, but all function is a relation. And I have also explained domain and range. On the domain and range, today I will do some problem from exercise 1.2. Then you see this is the question fx, question number 1, exercise 1.2, fx 3x square plus 2x minus 1 by x plus 1, where x belongs to real number, x does not equal to minus 1. You have to find the value of f minus 3 plus 1. f minus 3 plus 1. Now fx is what? This one. f minus 3 equal to what? 3 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Clear? Now 3 into 9 minus 6 minus 1 by minus 2. This is how much? 27 minus 7 by minus 2 equal to 20 by minus 2 equal to minus 10. Now question is function of minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 is what? Minus 10 plus 1 equal to minus 9. This is your answer. Simple 2 marks question. It is 2 marks question. Clear? Function is given, you have to find the value. Simply you have to find this value. Clear? Now about the domain, I am writing the question. Find domain. If question is asking to you, find domain. Question is fx equal to x square plus 4 by x plus 2. The question is given to you x square plus 4 by x plus 2. Isn't it? You know this one is fx and this one is gx. Already gx is never equal to 0. Clear? So x plus 2 is also not equal to 0. That means x is not equal to minus 2. Clear? X is not equal to minus 2. That means domain of f is real number minus 2. This one is clear. If domain you have to find fx equal to x square plus 4 by x plus 2, you know gx is never equal to 0. Always not equal to 0. So gx is what? X plus 2 is also not equal to 0. X is minus 2. Domain is r minus 2. Next question you see x by x square plus 3x plus 2. You have to find the domain. X by x square plus 3x plus 2. Now it is also fx by gx. This one also gx is not equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 2 is not equal to 0. Now you make the factor. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, that means x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is not equal to 0. Clear? Now x plus 2 plus 1, x plus 2 is not equal to 0. Clear? That means x plus 1, x plus 2 is not equal to 0. X plus 1 is not equal to 0. That means x is not equal to minus 1. X plus 2 is not equal to 0. X is not equal to minus 2. That means domain is real number minus 1 minus 2. It is the answer of this question. Simply you make the factorization you get x plus 1 x plus 2. X plus 1 is not equal to 0, x plus 2 is not equal to 0. Domain is real number minus 1 and minus 2. Now find domain and range. Find domain and range. Fx equal to square root 2 minus 3x. This is your question. Square root 2 minus 3x. Now, for the domain, this must be a real number. This must be a real number. Clear? That means 2 minus 3x is greater than equal to 0. 2 minus 3x is greater than and equal to 0. That means minus 3x minus 2. Understood? So 3x 2, x less than equal to 2 by 3. X is less than 2 by 3. Then you say, what is the domain? You say, what is the domain? Domain will be less than, that is minus infinity to 2 by 3. This is domain. Domain is minus infinity 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Clear? Domain. For the range, x less than equal to 2 by 3. So 3x 2, 3x minus 2 less than equal to 0. Understood this one? Now, if you write 2 minus 3x multiplying with minus sign both sides, inequality should be changed. Understood? That means y is greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 0. That means range is what? Range is 0 to infinity. Range is 0 to infinity. Domain minus infinity to 2 by 3 and range is 0 to infinity. Clear? Now next question. 16 minus x square. Next question is 16 minus x square. Root under 16 minus x square must be a real number. That means 16 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. If you multiply with minus sign both sides, x square minus 16 is less than equal to 0. Clear? Now x square less than equal to 16. X is plus minus 4. X is less than plus minus 4. Then what is the domain? Domain is minus 4, 4. Is it clear? Simple. Now range. 16 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. Clear? Now y is equal to square root 16 minus x square. Fx means y. Now y square equal to 16 minus x square. Understood? The x square equal to 16 minus y square. X square is greater than equal to 0. You know, square root is always greater than equal to 0. So 16 minus y square is greater than equal to 0. Multiply with minus sign both sides. Y square minus 16 less than equal to 0. Now y is less than equal to plus minus 4. But y is always greater than 0. Value of y is always greater than 0. Then, but y is always greater than 0. Then range is 0 to 4. Range is 0 to 4. Understood? Range is 0 to 4. Fx equal to root under x minus 3. Next question. Fx equal to modulus x minus 3. This value for domain, it is always be real number. It is always be real number. Domain is real number. Now, x minus 3 for range, x minus 3 is always greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 0. Clear? So RF is what? 0 to infinity. RF is 0 to infinity. RF is 0 to infinity. Clear? Fx equal to 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. In these questions, you have to find the range. You have to find the range. To find range. This is important question. Understood? Now, let 3 equal to cos theta, r cos theta, and 4 equal to r sin theta. Let 3 equal to r cos theta, 4 equal to r sin theta. Squaring and adding 1 and 2. Squaring and adding 1 and 2. Squaring and adding 1 and 2. That means 3 square plus 4 square equal to r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. Clear? You know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So r square equal to 25. Therefore, r equal to 5. In this case, we never take the negative sign. R is 5. Now, from this solution, fx equal to what? 3 is what? R cos theta into sin x minus R sin theta into cos x. Clear? Now, R we can write sin x into cos theta minus cos x into sin theta. Clear? Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. What is the formula? This formula is sin A minus B. R sin x minus theta. That means fx is what? Y equal to R is how much? 5 sin x minus theta. Is it clear? You are getting y equal to 5 sin x minus theta. Now, you know x lies between minus 1, sin line lies between minus 1 and 1. Sin lies between minus 1 and 1. Clear? Now, multiplying 5 both sides. Minus 5 sin x minus theta 5. Now this one is what? This one is y. This one is y. Now that means what? What is the range? Range is between minus 5 and 5. Range is between minus 5 and 5. Clear? This is the process of calculating the domain and range. In exercise 1.2, almost I have tried to solve the questions. You also do the practice all the questions. Same questions you are given there. You do it. I think you can able to solve all the questions. Understood? Thank you, student.